Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Multiplication with asterisk. To write a formula that multiplies two numbers, use the asterisk, asterisk. To multiply 2 times 8, for example, type equals 2 asterisk 8. Use the same format to multiply the numbers in two cells. Equals A1 asterisk A2, multiplies the values in cells A1 and A2.
Let's help you make your mark.
To divide two numbers in Excel, you type the equals sign, smiley face, in a cell, then type the number to be divided, followed by a forward slash, followed by the number to divide by, and press the Enter key to calculate the formula.
Let's help you make your mark.
Just select all the cells at the same time, then enter the formula normally as you would for the first cell. Then, when you're done, instead of pressing Enter, press Ctrl plus Enter. Excel will add the same formula to all cells in the selection, adjusting references as needed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use AutoSum or press Alt plus equals to quickly sum a column or row of numbers. First, select the cell below the column of numbers, or next to the row of numbers, you want to sum. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, click AutoSum, or press ATL plus smiley face. Press Enter.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Multiply numbers in Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets, and select a cell. Enter the equal sign, equals. Type a number. Enter the asterisk, asterisk, to signify multiplication. Type the second number. Press Enter to see the result.
Take our lead.
Multiply a column of numbers by a constant number. Type equals A2 asterisk $2 Brunei dollars in a new column in your spreadsheet. The above example uses column D. Be sure to include a dollar symbol before B and before 2 in the formula, and press Enter. Drag the formula down to the other cells in the column.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.